Okay, y'all, this is me flying in an airplane from 1928. Y'all, it's an old plane. I was so scared. There's the plane. You see it. It was a 25-minute ride, but this is a minute and a half of footage.
I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm on an airplane at an air show.
The sky was beautiful, y'all, and it was so loud. Stay tuned for this landing, okay? The plane is so small. Like, that even made it scary. Y'all, we were up so high. I was literally so nervous, but you can't tell. And the pilot must have knew I was scared, because he looked back and gave me some reassurance. That's the hubby right there, reassuring me. And that's me. I did it. I did it. All right, y'all, we're getting ready to land. Feels good to get close to the ground.